20 home remedies for diabetes management and weight loss. 1. Regular exercise. Engage in physical activities like walking, jogging, or cycling to help manage blood sugar levels and aid in weight loss. 2. Balanced diet. Follow a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 3. Portion control. Monitor your portion sizes to avoid overeating and help maintain a healthy weight. 4. Drink water. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, as it can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote weight loss. 5. Green tea. Incorporate green tea into your daily routine, as it is known to have beneficial effects on blood sugar control and metabolism. 6. Cinnamon. Sprinkle cinnamon on your foods or add it to beverages, as it may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. 7. Fenugreek seeds. Soak fenugreek seeds overnight and consume them in the morning to help lower blood sugar levels. 8. Bitter melon. Include bitter melon in your diet, either by consuming it raw or in the form of juice, as it may help lower blood glucose levels. 9. Aloe vera. Drink aloe vera juice, pure, without added sugars, as it has potential benefits in managing blood sugar levels. 10. Apple cider vinegar. Dilute apple cider vinegar in water and consume it before meals to aid in weight loss and improve insulin sensitivity. 11. Garlic. Incorporate garlic into your meals, as it may help lower blood sugar levels and support weight loss. 12. Indian gooseberry. Consume Indian gooseberry or its juice, as it is believed to have anti-diabetic properties. 13. Bale fruit. Consume bale fruit or its juice, as it may help regulate blood sugar levels and aid in weight loss. 14. Flax seeds. Include flax seeds in your diet, as they are rich in fiber and may help improve glycemic control and promote weight loss. 15. Psyllium husk. Add psyllium husk to your meals or mix it with water to help control blood sugar levels and support weight loss. 16. Ginger. Use ginger in cooking or drink ginger tea, as it may help improve insulin sensitivity and assist in weight management. 17. Curry leaves. Chew on a few curry leaves daily, as they are believed to have anti-diabetic properties. 18. Yoga and meditation. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga and meditation, as they may help improve insulin sensitivity and aid in weight loss. 19. Get enough sleep. Prioritize getting enough quality sleep, as sleep deprivation can affect blood sugar levels and appetite regulation. 20. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as through hobbies, relaxation techniques, or seeking support from loved ones. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before incorporating any new remedies into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications.